Are you tired of weight loss products filled with artificial ingredients and empty promises? Discover the power of nature with Pure Revive, the ultimate solution for healthy weight loss. Check out the link in the video description now to start your journey with Pure Revive.
After 4 days of testimony from Hunter Biden's exes and law enforcement officials, the prosecution in Hunter Biden's federal gun trial case has rested its case. On Friday, the government introduced 3 more witnesses to try and corroborate their allegation that Hunter was using illegal drugs while unlawfully purchasing a firearm in October 2018. They claim Hunter lied on a federal gun form when he indicated he was not unlawfully using, or addicted to, illegal drugs. He has been charged with 3 gun-related counts and pleaded not guilty to all of them. Jurors in Wilmington, Delaware heard from Hunter's ex-wife, Kathleen Bull, his ex-girlfriend, Zoe Keston, and his sister-in-law turned lover Hallie Biden about his prior drug use and addiction to crack cocaine. However, the defense maintains that Hunter was not using drugs when he bought the firearm and the government must prove he was actively using drugs when he bought the gun, something no person has been able to say definitively. Defense attorneys will have a chance to present their case and call witnesses now. After 4 days of witness testimony, the prosecution has rested its case in chief. Court is taking a short break and then the defense will have the opportunity to call witnesses. During cross-examination, Lowell stresses to jurors that Romig is not involved in the investigation and his testimony is only about drugs as a whole. "I didn't look into anybody in this investigation," Romig said. "I did not do anything as a DEA agent regarding this case." Romig read through several of Hunter Biden's messages on Friday to testify about language that is often used during drug deals. He told jurors that a text Hunter sent about baby powder was rudimentary, pretty standard cocaine code. Prosecutor Derek Hines asked Romig to decode the word party favor, which Romig says generally means drugs. Prosecutors have called Drug Enforcement Administration agent Joshua Romig to the stand. This will be their final witness before resting their case. Romig told jurors he has years of experience with drug investigations. During Dr. Brewer's cross-examination, defense attorney David Kalansky noted that the pouch was tested 5 years after it was recovered, in October 2023, and the test does not indicate when the cocaine would have gotten on the pouch or how it did. Kalansky is making an effort to undermine the government's case that Hunter Biden was actively using drugs when he bought the firearm. The pouch that the gun was found in was not the gun's original container. Prosecutor Leo Wise has asked Dr. Brewer about the pouch that the firearm was found in, the same one that Hallie Biden put the gun in before throwing it in a trash can. Dr. Brewer said he tested the pouch to determine if there were traces of drugs or drug residue. He said he found minimal white powder on the interior flap and in the bottom of the pouch. Cocaine was identified within the residual white powder that I sampled, Dr. Brewer said. The prosecution has continued with their case, calling Dr. Jason Brewer, a forensic chemist, to the stand. Hunter Biden's federal gun charges trial will continue today with prosecutors calling their 3 final witnesses and resting their case. Defense attorneys will then call their witnesses, which could include James Biden, Joe Biden's brother. Hunter Biden, the son of President Joe Biden, is on trial for 3 federal gun-related charges after he allegedly unlawfully obtained a firearm in October 2018. The trial began on Monday at the federal courthouse in Wilmington, Delaware, where a cast of characters testified about Hunter's prior drug use and possession of the firearm. Ariana Bayo reports. Hunter Biden, the son of President Joe Biden, is on trial for 3 federal gun-related charges after he allegedly unlawfully obtained a firearm in October 2018.